Okay, the best thing about the audio system in this Vauxhall Astra, it's a 2019 model. If you see there, you've got USB or your charging lead. There's a USB socket in here. Plug the USB socket in, and then you get your phone, plug the other end into your phone. You'll see what happens with a bit of luck. CarPlay, right, this has come up on the screen. Device projection, privacy consent. Apple CarPlay and its third-party apps and services may use your vehicle information, including vehicle location. Only use Apple CarPlay when it is safe to do so, and will not, it'll say, interfere with your driving or whatever. So continue. So continue like so. CarPlay finish. Let's just open it up there. Allow CarPlay with my Vauxhall while phone is locked. We want to allow there. That was finishing it like so. So that's that done. Now you don't need to touch your phone at all. You can do anything. If I click there, see there the big square and then the 3 bars at the side. If I click there, that will show you how far you're away from home, how long it'll take you to get home, what's playing on the audio system, and the map where you are. You'll see on there, that's the quick bar, that's the last used the last used bits of the app. Now then, you want to make a phone call, that's the voice activation there button, the voice activation button there, so the top left one. So if I put my thumb on there, leave it on for 2 seconds, you'll see the Siri baseball comes up there. Call Barrie.
I didn't catch that. Could you try again?
Call Barrie.
Calling Barrie, iPhone.
So you'll see there.
Hi, this is Barrie.
That's dialing me there. So that was dialing me. You don't need to take your hands off the steering wheel. So you want to send a text. Same thing. 2 seconds on the voice activation button. Text Barrie.
What do you want to say to Barrie?
Just testing the Apple CarPlay system in this 2019 Vauxhall Astra. It's very, very good.
It says, just testing the Apple CarPlay system in this 2019 Vauxhall Astra. It's very, very good. Send it.
Yes, please.
Done.
So that's the text gone. Obviously, I've texted myself. You'll see there's a 1 now in the messages box or at the top, and you've got a message come up. You're driving along the road, you can't lift your phone up, it's against the law, but what you can do, you don't need to lift your phone up because you just press this button again for another couple of seconds. Read texts.
Barrie sent a new message. Just testing the Apple CarPlay system in this 2019 Vauxhall Astra. It's very, very good. Would you like to reply?
No, thank you.
That's everything.
So you're driving along the road and you want to navigate somewhere, or you want to set your sat-nav. You're on the motorway, you can't pull off, you can't pull over to the hard shoulder to do it, and you can't do this. All you need to do again is voice activation. Take me to the Trafford Centre, Manchester.
Getting directions to the Trafford Centre.
You'll see go comes up here, but you don't have to do anything. If your hands are firmly on the steering wheel, you don't have to do anything because it will do it automatically. There you go, it's just proceeded. It's actually quite good because you'll see there it also gives you directions on your iPhone and on your Apple Watch. So as I say, that's a fantastic system. If we go on to these boxes, these 8 boxes here, like so, you'll see there you've got, let's see, just wait for that to go off. You've got audio books, you can listen to podcasts, your music. Again, I'm going to show you the music, but this is only so you can see what happens. You don't need to touch that. What you hear, shuffle music. There you go. Or that'll play anything, or if you want a specific track, Play Marie's the Name.
Here's Marie's the Name, his latest Flame by Elvis Presley on Apple Music.
A very old friend.
Fantastic system. As I say, you don't have to take your hands off the steering wheel. So we'll just go back and I'll just show you a couple of other things. So you've got maps, we've done messages, we've done the phone. Just wind along there. You've got Spotify, Google Maps, Audible. If you go to Audible, that's got all the audio books that I've got on my phone, and I can just listen to anything. It's a really, really good system. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.